Hello everyone, let us discuss about fixed assets module in Boon. In simple terms, we can define fixed assets as those items that a company used to generate income. We can consider land, factories, buildings, equipments and furnitures, etc. as example of fixed assets. These are items that help a business to generate income. Now let us consider the life cycle of fixed asset. The first step is the procurement of asset. We buy assets and record in the system. Second step is deploy and maintain the asset. We record the date of deployment in the system, which is the starting of our depreciation. Third step is depreciate the asset periodically, since the value of the asset reduces over the time. Once the life of asset is over, or if we choose to dispose the asset, we will sell or scrap the asset. Now let us look how the asset procurement is done through Boon application. We use our regular purchase orders and invoicing for procurement of assets. Once we record the order, we will check how assets are maintained in Boon. Let us now log into Boon application. Navigate to Purchase Management, Process, Vendor Invoice form opens. Click New, select Order Type, enter Vendor Bill Number in Vendor Invoice Reference. Select Vendor ID, name, address, dimensions, etc. came automatically from Order Type and Vendor Master. Enter narration and save the record. Now we will record the lines. Click New in Lines and select Item. Enter quantity and unit price. In Fixed Asset tab, select Fixed Asset Group and check New Asset checkbox. Additionally, if we are adding the value of an existing asset, we can choose the old asset number from the drop-down. Save the record. To check the accounting entries, just click Vouchers, Unposted Voucher. We will get the credit and debit entries of the invoice. We can notice that asset account is debited and sundry creditors are credited. This is different from normal vendor invoice booking. Close Unposted Voucher and click Post Invoice button. On confirmation, voucher will get posted. Once posted, to check the voucher, click Vouchers, Posted Vouchers. We will get the accounting and print similar to unposted voucher. Now let us check how the assets are managed in Fixed Asset module. Fixed Asset module consists of Fixed Asset Table, Fixed Asset Book, Depreciation Schedule. Navigate to Fixed Assets, Processes, Asset Table. Fixed Asset Table form opens. We can notice the asset credited from the invoice. We can modify the asset name if required. Record the asset description. Additionally, we can record technical information such as make, model year and serial number. Click Asset Book button. Asset Book screen opens. Here we can notice the parameters required for depreciation. We can maintain the put to use dates in this screen. To view the fixed asset transactions, click Transaction button. Now we can see our invoice voucher, which is our procurement entry. Click Depreciation Schedule button so that we can see the upcoming depreciation schedule. Now let us check the depreciation process in Boon. Depreciation is recorded using Fixed Asset Journal. There is provision to generate depreciation lines in the journal. Navigate to Fixed Assets, Processes, Asset Journals, Asset Journals. Asset Journal form opens. To generate depreciation, click New and select Journal type. Dimensions and other information came automatically. Save the record, journal number gets generated. Click Journal Details button. Journal Details form opens. Fill Journal Narration. Click Depreciation tab. Fill Depreciation Run Date and click Depreciation button. Till run date, depreciation will be generated as journal lines. To check the unposted voucher, click Journal Subledger button. We have a printable report of unposted voucher. Close Journal Subledger and click Post button. Voucher will get posted. Similar to all other journals, we can print the posted voucher also. Now let us check the final process in asset lifecycle, which is disposal of asset. We can execute fixed asset sales using sales order. Also, we can use fixed asset journal to execute disposal process. Navigate to Sales Management, Process, Customer Invoice. Customer Invoice form opens. Click New, select Order Type. Select Customer ID, name, address, dimensions, etc. came automatically from Order Type and Customer Master. Enter narration and save the record. Now we will record the lines. Click New in Lines and select Item, enter quantity and unit price. In Fixed Asset tab, select Fixed Asset number. Fixed Asset group comes automatically. Save the record. To check the accounting entries, just click Vouchers, Unposted Voucher. We will get the credit and debit entries of the invoice. Close the unposted voucher and post the sales order. Once posted, we can navigate to Fixed Assets. Open Asset Book and click the Fixed Asset transaction. We can see the different types of transactions like acquisition, depreciation and sales. Let us now discuss the different reports provided in fixed assets. We have Fixed Asset Register, Asset Addition Report, Asset Deletion Report, etc. To open Asset Register, navigate to Fixed Asset, Reports, Asset Register. Fill from date and to date and execute the report. We can notice opening balance, addition, deletion and closing balance in Asset Register. There is a tight integration of fixed asset with finance and accounts module of Boon. We can use the reports of finance and accounts such as fixed asset ledgers, trial balance, MIS and balance sheet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.